Yo, what's good, y'all? What's good, y'all? So today is June 4th. We just bought Google VO3. We're late to the party, but we're gonna get after it, of course. I'm gonna share my screen and yeah, how you guys doing? How you guys doing, man? It's great to be back. Great to be back on YouTube. Great to be back on camera. Today we are going to try out whatever Google VO3. Like I said, what's funny is you get this is what you get with Google Ultra AI Ultra for $125 for 3 months. Um, you get Flow, Whisk, Notebook, and some things early access Project Mariner, which I'm very excited to try out sooner than later. Um, this looks dope. A research prototype exploring the future of human agent interaction. Start with browsers. Wow, automate multiple tasks simultaneously. Use natural language to assign AI agents to handle time consuming tasks like research, planning, and data entry. They can tackle tasks simultaneously in browsers running on virtual machines. Wow. Really? Multi-model reasoning. Project Mariner observes what's displayed in the browser. It then reasons to interpret your goals, makes a plan, and takes action. So observes, identifies, and understands web elements, including text, code, and forms, to build an understanding of what is displayed in the browser. Plans, interprets complex goals, and reasons to plan out actionable steps. The agent will also share a clear outline of its decision making. Okay. Acts, navigates, and interacts with websites to carry out the plan while keeping you informed. You can fire the prompt the agent at any time or stop the agent entirely and take over what it was doing. Teach and repeat. Once agents have learned how to do a task, they can try to replicate the same workflow in the future with minimal input, freeing up even more time. Wow, that's even greater. Okay, finding personalized jobs, hiring a tasker to build furniture, ordering missing ingredients. Wow, finding personalized jobs. I like that. I want to try that one. Coming to the Gemini API soon. Building responsibly in the agentic era. We recognize the responsibility it entails to develop these new technology and aim to prioritize safety and security in all of our efforts. Experience Project Mariner. Wow, this seems so cool. What's these? I'm interested to get into all of these. I guess every video will be something different, but man, let's start back. Let's go back to Google VO3. So far I did get into it, and I'm using ChatGPT. This is because it was right there. I've been in this thing today, and I've been kind of creating all day, as you saw in my other videos. But this, I'm just trying to figure it out. So the first one was this. Okay. Didn't really do what I wanted to do. This one did not do what I wanted it to do. So here's another one. That is a lot getting better. Download video. We're gonna listen. I got something good. I'm about to just post it because guys, we gotta post. You know what I'm saying? We gotta post. We gotta get right. And I'm literally about to look at this other one. I'm actually look at this one. Look, freaking elephant. Go follow me on Instagram. And check that stuff out. No, I have it on my TikTok too, but this is what it is. So let me get this airdrop popping. Airdrop. And I should also go live. Let's see if I can go live. Airdrop, boom. Accept. I'm about to post that right now. So that's that. We're just gonna keep, getting after it, honestly. Uh, And I'm about to post that right now. Okay, so next, I did enjoy that. That was good. And as you can see, um, if you can see, this is all I can do. I can only go in here, generate a video, boom, and 3 to 5 minutes takes forever. And there's no other thing I can do right now. Canvas, create docs and apps, get in-depth answers. I want to mess around with this Canvas soon too. As of right now, that's what we got, right? So you up to speed. Boom. Now, I remember I was watching this video. It said something about flow, like go to flow, go to flow. And as you can see here, it says flow, right? So I was like, this can't be it. Like, this can't be it. So now we went to flow. And I didn't read flow actually. Flow, where next wave of storytelling happens with VEO. Flow is an AI filmmaking tool built with and for creatives. Seamlessly create cinematic clips, scenes, and stories using Google's most capable generative AI models. So this is what we're doing now. We got short films, cool stuff. Watch, wow, they got Watch Flow TV. That's dope. Start creating. As you can see, $125. That's the one I bought. And um we just jumped in, and I'm assuming that this makes the person talk. So we're going to say, from a first person view, uh give me a script on how I created 2 websites in 5 minutes, right? Because essentially that picture was me, so I'm just going to try and get after it. Script, scene direction. Okay, let's try that. Switching you to compatible model for this feature. Submit again to confirm or check. Submit again. All right, so now we're generating what we got over here and still generating. So now, as you can see, we done took one video and now we got 2 videos. Now post, let me go live on TikTok or Instagram, because my TikTok I gotta re-download. Let's just go live on Instagram and live on Instagram. Can I do the double person double? They should allow that double. They do all these filters, but not the double one. Okay, let's see. The heck? Hi. She didn't say anything. What the heck? I had an idea. Hmm. She probably said, "Huh, I had an idea." With a smile, nodding confidently. Otherwise, I help me start it. Hmm. So said, say she's decent. She's a decent looking person. Say, uh, female character. Say, had an idea. Seen. Okay. So that's that. It actually did it perfectly. So many words, but we need more details. That's the thing. We need more details. It needs more information. Let's get out of this. 35%. Lisa creates 2 at a time. How many does this thing have credits or is it unlimited? Learn flow. Let's learn. Watch flow. Hopefully this doesn't. Yes, cool. Okay. All right, this should be a good video. Let's watch it. Understand. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's cool. Oh my gosh. Wow.